welcome to Acutest, one of the largest electrical test equipment distributors in the UK. Our service department calibrate over 30,000 items every year in our state-of-the-art laboratory here in Newcastle-under-Lyme, Staffordshire. The calibration and repair process is simple for you and carefully carried out by us, and I'm here to talk you through it. The process starts with an instrument reaching its calibration date. As an existing calibration customer, or if you've bought a new instrument, you'll be automatically contacted by a calibration coordinator just before the instrument is due for calibration. Once you've booked in for a calibration, the coordinator will discuss with you how the instrument is transported to the factory, and there are different options. This may be via courier, or our own transport, or you can of course drop equipment off directly with us for the fastest possible service. Once the instrument arrives with us, it's booked into our management information system, cleaned, and the old calibration labels are removed. As we handle about 2,500 instruments per month, we make sure we keep track of them all by careful handling and tagging as they progress through the system. The instruments are taken through to the calibration lab at least 24 hours before they are calibrated to allow them to equalise to lab conditions. Our traceable lab conforms to ISO 10012. The whole lab is air-conditioned to provide a stable environment, whatever the weather outside. All of our calibration equipment is calibrated by UCAS-accredited test companies and cross-checked regularly. The range of instruments we can calibrate is very large. Electrical equipment for domestic electricians, right up to high-voltage equipment for power distribution companies. Pressure equipment and gas equipment for flue gas analyzers. We can even calibrate mechanical equipment such as torque wrenches. Each instrument is tested against a calibration procedure, and this is written and stored within our calibration software. Most instruments are calibrated semi-automatically, with the software controlling the calibrators. The system produces a calibration label for the instrument and a certificate. As well as the general traceable lab, we also have some areas of specialism. Our business is registered to ISO 9001 and we're also accredited by UCAS in electrical measurements and pressure measurements. UCAS accreditation means we have been assessed against the internationally recognised standard ISO 17025 and demonstrated our competence, impartiality and performance capability, something we're very proud of. If you select a UCAS calibration, you can have confidence that the calibration procedure has been tailored to meet your requirements. The calibration has been carried out by externally assessed engineers. The calibration results have externally verified uncertainties on the measurements. The whole process is completely transparent. Many of the procedures of ISO 17025 are adopted in our traceable lab. Another area of specialisation is our high voltage cage. This allows us to calibrate equipment up to voltages around 70 kilovolts. Once calibration is complete, the instrument is returned to stores and the calibration coordinator raises the paperwork to dispatch your instrument back to you. In the case of an instrument needing repair, we're capable of repairing the majority of instruments to component level within our dedicated repair department. Our highly qualified engineers undertake regular training with the original equipment manufacturers to keep us at the forefront of service delivery. Once the repair is complete, the instrument is then sent through the calibration procedure. Picking Acutest to repair and calibrate your equipment means you'll be in good company. Some of the largest service, manufacturing and utility companies in the country trust Acutest, and with good reason. They know they get a professional, high-quality service time and time again. We hope this video has provided an insight into our capabilities and we look forward to being of service to you. Acutest, professional, high-quality repair and calibration services.